Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I have brought you a new video about present continuous. Verbs expressing present continuous. That means which verbs we use to express present continuous and where you use present continuous. In this video, I will be explaining all about it. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umared Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. At first I will say the structure of a present continuous. Structure is subject plus am is are plus V4. V4 means ing form of verb plus object. This is the structure. In such a way we say for present continuous. I am teaching English. Now I am teaching. So I am teaching. This is present continuous. Subject plus am is are. As per subject we use am or is or are. Okay. Am agrees with I. So I use here am. I am teaching English. Object. He is writing an essay. She is playing badminton. It is playing there. My mother is cooking. We use is writing, is playing, is cooking. Okay. Am is are be verbs plus ing form of verb plus object. This is the structure of present continuous. We use am with I only. I am teaching. Is we use is with he, she, it. That means third person singular pronouns. With third person singular pronouns we use is. Then ing form of a verb. And also with all kinds of singular subjects. So my mother third person singular is cooking is. Okay. Then where you use are. We with you with they. We use are. First person pronoun we, second person pronoun you, third person plural pronoun they. And with all kinds of plural nouns we use are. We are studying, you are listening, they are reading. Be verb plus ing form, be verb plus ing form, be verb plus ing form of a verb. So this is the structure. Subject plus be verb plus ing form of a verb, then object. This is the structure, construction of simple present continuous. Right? So now I am saying how to change one sentence, present continuous sentence into negative. So here I am teaching English. In these sentences I am saying I am teaching English. Where you use not, I am not teaching English. He is writing an essay. He is not writing. After auxiliary verb, after be verb, in between be verb and ing form of verb, in between be verb and main verb, we use not. That is the negative present continuous. He is not writing an essay. She is not playing badminton. It is not playing there. My mother is not cooking. Okay? We are not studying. You are not listening. They are not reading. Okay? In such a way, we frame negative sentences. Okay? I am not teaching. In such a way, we frame negative sentences. Then how to write one sentence or change one sentence into interrogative. Suppose the sentence is I am teaching English. Okay? How to convert the sentence? How to change the sentence into interrogative? You have seen, you have known this is one V verb and auxiliary verb. When you change the sentence into interrogative, that auxiliary verb will go to the front. So this is what So take it to the front. Am I? Am, then subject. Am I? Not teaching, sorry, not negative, only interrogative. Am I teaching English? This is interrogative sentence. Okay? Then where you use is, he is writing an essay. Change the sentence into interrogative. You bring the auxiliary verb to the front. Is. Is he writing an essay? An essay? Okay. The same way, my mother is cooking. Change the sentence into interrogative. Is my mother cooking? Interrogative. Is my mother cooking? They are reading. What will be? Are they reading? Okay. You are listening. Are you listening? Interrogative. We are studying. Are we studying? Are we studying? In such way, we can convert from affirmative sentence into interrogative, into negative. How to change one sentence from affirmative or negative to negative interrogative? Suppose this is the sentence, I am teaching English. Okay, here I am teaching English. Change the sentence into negative interrogative. That means that will be interrogative with negative word, not. So change the sentence into interrogative first. You have known am will come front. So write am I. So what you are doing? Changing the sentence into negative interrogative. So put here negative word not. Am I not teaching English? Right? Question mark. Then another sentence, it is playing there. Change the sentence into negative interrogative. So is will come front, write is. Is, then it is the subject, it. It is, so is it. Is it? Change the sentence into negative interrogative. So put negative word not. Is it not playing there? Question mark. Then she is playing badminton. What will be? Is she not playing? Are you changing into negative interrogative? Is she not playing badminton? Question mark. They are reading. Are they not reading? Are they not reading? This much. Are they not reading? Okay. So we can know how to write one sentence in present continuous form, how to change the sentence into interrogative, negative and negative interrogative. So this is the structure of one affirmative sentence of a present continuous, one sentence of a present continuous. So what is the structure of negative present continuous? That will be what? Subject plus am is, or are. These three be verbs. As per subject, we have to use one. Plus not. Plus before. Ing form of a verb. Then object. Right? Then interrogative structure, is, or are. Plus I plus ing form of verb. That means this is before. Is, are plus subject, not I. Subject plus before plus object. Question mark. This is negative present continuous. This is interrogative present continuous. Another is interrogative negative present continuous. So that will be, the structure is is, or are plus subject plus not. Right? Subject plus not plus before plus object. This is the structure of present continuous negative interrogative. Right? Suppose someone is getting confused to change into negative interrogative sentence. At first, what should be done? At first, you change the sentence into negative, then you change from negative sentence to negative interrogative. That will be easy for you. Let's see. Suppose the sentence is, I am teaching English. Okay. The question is, change the sentence into negative interrogative. So students who are doing, they are doing mistake, putting not in the sentence. So what should be done? In this case, you can change the sentence into negative. So what will be? I am not teaching English. If you remember the structure, it will be very easy for you. No need to change the sentence into negative. Direct you can change from from affirmative sentence into negative interrogative. Okay. The easy method again I am saying to you, if someone cannot change, he or she should follow the trick. Okay. I am teaching English. What I told? Direct you can change. I not teaching English. It is the answer. Okay. Suppose someone cannot change from this affirmative sentence into interrogative. That student what should be done? First change into negative. So I am not teaching English. Right? Then you change the sentence into interrogative. You take am to the front. Then I, what is written, that will write. Not teaching question mark. Okay. Am I not teaching English? Question mark. This is negative interrogative. Then let's see where you use present continuous tense. Present continuous means also present progressive. Right? So where you use present continuous tense? We use present continuous to denote an action going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking means now I am speaking. What I am doing? I am teaching. My expression is I am teaching, I am speaking. What you are doing? What are you doing? You are listening. Are listening. Okay. Suppose you are listening, someone shouting there. What you say? I am listening, I am studying, he is shouting. Okay. Suppose you are studying, someone calling. What you say? I am listening, I am studying, he is calling me. My friend is calling me. At the time of speaking, what is going on? What is happening? Everything will be expressed in present continuous. Right? So, she is singing a song. Singing is singing. Present continuous. Be verb plus ing form of verb. He is preparing tea. Okay. someone expressing at the time of happening, that means at the time he is preparing tea. It is raining now. I am playing chess. Then also we use present continuous to denote an action going on in a regular process. Okay? Not at the time of speaking. In a regular process, what is happening? What is going on? That is also expressed in present continuous. Okay? He is writing a book. He is writing a book. Okay? His hobby to write book. What is he doing? He is writing a book. So, is present continuous. Rima is nowadays teaching in our school. They are cleaning the field at the end of the week. That means this is one regular process they are doing. At the end of the week, they are cleaning the field. So, expression present continuous. Also, you use present continuous to denote an action that is planned or arranged to take place in near future. Okay? He is going to Jaipur tonight. Already it is planned to go Jaipur. There you use is going to. He is going to Jaipur tonight. Near future. My son is arriving tomorrow. There we use present continuous. We are meeting him at 8 a.m. Present continuous. Also you use present continuous with always. With adverb always. When the frequency annoys the speaker. Frequency means repeated action. Annoys the speaker, there we use always with present continuous. Right? She is always complaining. Okay? He is always complaining against me. She is always complaining. Complaining, one complaint annoys others. Okay? So, that is a frequency action. Okay? That annoys the speaker. So, the speaker says, she is always complaining. You are always finding faults with others. Right? Are finding. In between are finding, always. In between is complaining, always. She is always losing her purse. Is losing. In between is losing, always is written. He is always making that mistake. Repeated mistake. Then he is always making that mistake. There you use present continuous. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.